Hey guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? Welcome back to Monday. For today, I'm just gonna talk about a range market trading strategy. I've been talking about this strategy for quite many times since I started the daily trading. Again, it's one of my favorite range market trading strategy, and I personally think is the most accurate range market trading strategy. So for today, we will take a look at how do we identify a range market, and then how do we use this strategy to trade in range market, which is the Bollinger Bands with MACD, which it works in looking for retracement in resistance and support level in a range market, and then we trade at when the price is approaching to the resistance and support level. We'll take a look at the indicator settings first, and then we'll take a look at how we will be using this strategy. First we'll set up the technical indicators. So go to indicator, just click on it. Okay, so now we select the Bollinger Bands. So tick on Bollinger Band, and we will open the drop down. So click on it. Okay, now what we need to do is just to deselect the lines on the left and then keep the one on the right. So now we have 3 lines on the chart, and then that's all we need for Bollinger Bands. So next we will go to oscillator. I will select the MACD. Okay, so now we open the drop down for MACD. Click on it. Okay, so now go to parameter, and we'll change the parameter. So EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. So now the indicator is set, and we can close this window here. So the last thing making sure is the chart period and option period. So chart period, I will be using a 10 seconds chart, and then option period for today, I'll be trading with a 30 seconds option. So now it's all set, and then we'll take a look at how do we identify a range market by using this strategy. Okay, now we are looking at a range market. So how do I tell this is a range market? Basically I will imagine there is a line above and below the candlestick, and then if the price is moving within this range, then I will know that the price is in a range market. So also another way for you to tell whether the price is in range, whether the market is in range market or not, is that we can actually take a look at the MACD. So if we take a look at MACD, we can see that you see the blue lines and the red line in MACD actually keep crossing over the 0 line. So that means that there is no the upward movement nor the downward movement is dominating the market. So that means that they're fighting with each other, and then that means that the price is in range market as well. So these are the 2 ways that you can identify a range market. So after we identify a range market, then we can use this strategy to trade. So now I will place a trade first, then we'll take a look at how it works. Okay, so now I placed a low. So first I'll be looking at the candlestick. So now you see the candlestick approached to the upper band, and then I move on to the MACD. So they cross over, and then gives me a purple histogram. So both of them are indicating that the price is going down. So that's why I opened a trade there. So now let's see how this trade is gonna end. Okay, so it's ending profit. So as expected. So the accuracy for this strategy is quite high. So just gonna browse a little bit more here, and then try to show you how to place a high option with this strategy. Okay, so take a look at this one here. Okay, So well, now I'm looking at another range market. So I will place a trade here, then I will explain it more. So okay, I place it here. Hi, okay. So well, now you see, now the candlestick approached to the lower band, and I move on to the MACD. Then the MACD crossover and gives me a green histogram, and then that's why I opened it a high option there. So now you see the upper band and lower band actually act as a resistance and support, which resistance is on top and support is at the bottom. When they touch these two levels, it bounces back up and down. So that's how the Bollinger Band works. So okay, so now the trade is ending in profit again. So well, I will take a look at another one, and hopefully I can place one more trade. So yep, just change the currency pairs a bit. Okay, not really. Okay, there we go. It's a really tiny, it's a really narrow channel here, so I placed a high. So you might wonder why I placed a high here, but then if we take a look at the previous candlestick, actually approach to the lower band and then the MACD crossover and gives me a green histogram, and then that's why I opened my trade there. But then when I open my trade, it the candlestick actually approached to the upper band already, but then well, it's okay. It's still looking good. So yep, I end this trade in profits. So now we can take a look at the result for today. So trade history. Okay, so well, I made 3 trades today, and all of them were end in profit. So I think I've talked about this before. When we trade in binary option trading, I think there are more trading chances in a range market than trend market, because the chance for you to encounter range market is actually more than trend market in a binary option trading, because it's short term. So when the trend actually trend is gonna be reversed, then there are moments that the market is gonna be in a range market for a moment before it gets to a trend market. So I personally think that you can get to know more about a range market trading strategy, so that you can aim for more profit chance in binary option trading, because you will have more chances to use range market trading strategy. Okay, so well, that's it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.